Good morning, students. Today, hi in Palace Easy Commerce, we are doing is the role of CDSL. So, the full form of CDSL is Central Depository Services India Limited, that is CDSL. और ये second Indian Central Security Depository है that is based in Mumbai. Its main function is the holding securities either in certified or uncertified form to enable book entry and transfer of securities. तो क्या होता है तो ये दोनों NSDL या CDSL they are both various securities like money है stock है properties है and CDSL works for Bombay Stock Exchange. So depending upon आपके BSc में या NSC है like that you will choose either CDSL or NSDL. उसके बाद what is the benefits to investors of CDSL? First one is elimination of all risk associated with physical certificates. So there is no risk of loss, mutilation or theft of के certificates चोरी हो गए, वो सब अभी नहीं है. उसके बाद I have is elimination of bad deliveries. So they are under objection for any reason, and hence the question of bad delivery does not arise, nor does the investor face any uncertainty on the genuinity of securities purchased by him. So वो भी सब issue नहीं है. आज लिया एक दो दिन में it will be shown along with the thing. So all of that is pretty good. Immediate transfer and registration of securities. So यहाँ पे the investor becomes the owner of the securities, as there is no need to seek registration from the company or its registrar. So immediate वो transfer हो गया. वो पहले registrar को बोलो ये करो वो करो, बहुत लंबा process था. Settlement cycles. So it is generally T+2 rolling settlement. It is settlement of trade is done on the second working day from the day trade. मतलब जो भी आज मैंने किया है तो 2 दिन में सब आपके स्क्रीन आपके डीमैट अकाउंट में सब रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा. फास्टर रिसीट ऑफ सिक्योरिटीज इन केस ऑफ बोनस और स्प्लिट और मर्जर. कभी कभी क्या कंपनीज बोनस शेयर्स डिसाइड करती है, स्प्लिट करती है, मर्जर करती है. तो यहाँ पे वो फास्टर वो एकदम वो हो जाता है. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? सो दिस इज एलिमिनेटिंग ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? उसके बाद आई हैव इज द वेवर ऑफ स्टैम्प ड्यूटी. So no stamp duty is payable by the investors for transfer of any kind of duties in the demat form. That is why it is waiver of stamp duty. उसके बाद it facilitates ease in recording change of address or transmission. So the G point is that for all the investments, okay, held in the account, instead of informing each company separately, बैंक डिटेल्स, नॉमिनेशन, वन सिंगल, ये सब एक ही टाइम पे मेरे पास अगर 10 कंपनीज है सो आई विल डू फॉर ऑल. इट बिकम्स मोर फास्टर. वो रिकॉर्डिंग चेंज वगैरह बहुत इजी हो जाता है. ईज ऑफ पोर्टफोलियो मॉनिटरिंग. द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ अकाउंट पीरियडिकली सेंट बाय द डीपी provides the investor the consolidated position. This makes it convenient for an investor to monitor his portfolio. That is ease of portfolio monitoring. उसके बाद what are the features of CDSL? पहला is convenience. Convenience कैसे? Wide DP network है. It has a wide DP network of DPs offering DMAT services across the country. The opportunity to select a DP of their choice. You can decide कि कौन सा है, ये बैंक, वो बैंक, whatever is convenient for you. फिर online DP services. So CDSL centralized database provide online depository services. All DPs are electronically connected to CDSL, thereby making the depository services available at the doorstep. उसके बाद availability of wide spectrum of securities. They extend the DMAT, this thing, government securities and units of mutual funds. A BO can also hold warehouses receipts pertaining to commodities in a DMAT account. However, a separate account should be opened by holding the warehouse receipts. उसके बाद I have is the competitive fee structure. So इसमें क्या होता है? It's all this they're very reasonable. It's not a very exorbitant that they are charging at a very affordable cost. उसके बाद easy and easiest, because of this CDSL, they have internet facilities. So as a result, wherever you are traveling and you realize the stock market has gone up, they can easily कहाँ पे भी you can just over one call, and अगर तूने एक दो साइन करके तू गई होती है तो anyone can just go to the bank and they can sell it and the amount will come in your account. And nowadays, I know many people, they're doing online only. So online only you can buy, online you can sell. You don't have to go to the bank also, but you need to have a online account for that. Matlab, that you can access to. So BO gets a daily valuation of the securities held in the demat account as of the previous day's closing price on BSE. BOs can also monitor corporate announcements for the securities held in their accounts, thus enabling them to take informed investment decisions. And then you have something known as SMART, SMS alerts related to transactions. तो ये क्या होता है कि अच्छा इतने इतने शेयर्स गए या क्या हुआ, तो ये सब का जानकारी आपको मिलता है. All of this comes under the distinct features of CDSL, the A part, that is the convenience part. The B part is dependability. That means online information to users. With the CDSL's centralized database structure, online depository services are available to BOs with the latest, status of their demat accounts. उसके बाद I have is safety of data. So it does not affect the BO's interest in any way as the CDSL database is maintained centrally. Are you understanding? उसके बाद audit and inspection. So CDSL conducts regular audits of its DPs to ensure compliance of the stringent operational and regulatory requirements. So that is very, very audit and inspection. उसके बाद I have is help desk. Facility is available to DP and investors to obtain any clarification and guidance, always meeting user requirements. So continuous updation of procedures and processes in tune with the evolving market practices and other hallmark of CDSL's system. So that is always meeting user requirement. उसके बाद I have is security. So first I have is computer systems. So यहाँ पे all data at CDSL is automatically mirrored and transmitted via a disaster recovery site. तो मेन साइट, तो इसमें क्या होता है, दिस CDSL ना उन लोग को सर्टिफिकेट दिया जाता है ISO 2007, ISO 2011, बिकॉज कभी कुछ डेटा क्रैश हो गया तो वो रिकवरी के लिए उनके पास वो सिस्टम है जिसमें पूरा बैकअप रहता है. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वेन एवर विच एवर यू आर चूजिंग. मतलब यू हैव टू बी वेरी गुड, लाइक हाउ यू बाय अ फोन देन यू सी कि इसका टेक्निकल एस्पेक्ट्स क्या है. सिमिलरली दीज आर द सिक्योरिटी सिस्टम्स which you need to kind of know, or at least you've heard from your friends and your cousins who are dealing with the same. System access, only the person at the DP's end who has been pre-authorized, खाली उसको ही वो CDSL कार्ड मिलेगा. Each BO in CDSL is allocated a unique account number. This avoids wrong transfer of securities in the event the transferee's account number is keyed in wrongly. Or insurance cover, CDSL has obtained adequate insurance cover for any unlikely loss occurring to a BO due to negligence of either the CDSL or the DP. So this is very, very this thing. So thus the CDSL has all these services. Thank you, students. The source has been taken by me from Anand Prakashan. Hope the concept has become very simple now.